clicking today's video, you have shown your interest somewhere in veganism or at least thinking of becoming a vegan. In today's video, I'm going to reflect and share my transition story from being a meat eater to vegetarian and now a vegan. I would be sharing the 5 positive changes that veganism has brought into my life. I have been vegan for a year now and a vegetarian for 10 years before I made this transition. Hence, it was easier for my body to accept this lifestyle change. So, what do I mean by veganism? Veganism is a way of living that attempts to exclude all forms of animal exploitation and cruelty, whether for food, clothing, cosmetics, or any other purpose. My reason of becoming a vegan completely came from the perspective of health benefits, but gradually it led to me being conscious about every aspect of consumption of things which do not support our environment or the animal cruelty prevention. So for a calm body, mind and soul, I follow a plant-based diet which includes fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts, legumes, plant-based milk, natural sweeteners, tea, and excludes meat, dairy, and eggs. So right now I do not consume any refined oil, brown or white sugar. I do not drink caffeinated drinks or consume alcohol. I do not even consume gluten grains like wheat or white flour or any kind of processed food. But these are certain modifications which I have personally done to my food choices after being aware of what my body is willing to accept and not. So every time when I eat intuitively, listening to what my body asks for. So if I feel like going back a bit to my old eating choices, I do it without surrounding my mind and body with any kind of guilt, because restoring that positive attitude towards my eating keeps a check on my emotional relationship with the food which I have developed. I think that we should be doing things and making choices in our life which we believe in and that which works for us. There should not be any kind of a force to follow any particular diet or a fad, but should be more like a personal choice. So here are the 5 positive changes that veganism has brought into my life. I believe the kind of food we eat throughout the day negatively or positively affects our mind and the sleep in the night. I remember it very well. There was a time in my life when I found a lot of difficulty in sleeping. I would simply stare at the walls or just scroll my phone endlessly, hoping for some magic to happen. But after becoming vegan, my night routine became effortless. I would sleep more, I would sleep peacefully, and I would feel energized after waking up, which otherwise was not to be seen in my journey of being a vegetarian. My night meal typically includes vegetables, legumes, and millets. I find it easier to digest, and I think it could be one of the reasons for my durability or to work out in the morning or run has improved as compared to the past. Being a vegan has helped me in my weight loss and resolve my thyroid issues. Just by a change in the diet has helped me to naturally bring down my thyroid levels. So following a nutritious diet has helped me to take more care of my health. It has helped me to become more conscious about what I choose to put into my body. It has generated a lot of love and respect for my body, and also take control of the emotional eating which used to happen due to stress earlier. I believe that whenever we do things without any restriction or force, we tend to make better choices about whether to eat or not that certain food. So I'm not 100% rigid about my vegan diet, and if there are times when I feel like going towards my comfort food, I choose to do it. My reason to go vegetarian was purely for ethical reasons, especially after watching one of the brutal slaughterhouse mistreatment of animals in a PETA video. My mind at that moment profoundly changed. But after becoming a vegan, I realized that how I was unconsciously still contributing to the suffering of animals through dairy. Being vegan makes me feel mentally good. It makes me feel to be okay with myself. It helps me to feel that I am somewhere helping this world to become a better place. I am helping the animals, the people and the planet somewhere. It helps me to sleep more in peace, knowing that I am choosing love and compassion over my selfish benefits. I now focus on my daily purchases to reduce my carbon footprint, especially plastic. So I use my own stainless steel straw instead of using any plastic straw. I'm constantly finding new ways to be more eco-conscious and express my compassion towards our planet. My relationship with the food also changed during this transition period. I feel that I got open to the wide variety of vegan food that was always available but never noticed. I feel I enjoy the healthy vegan food more now than the processed food which I used to eat. I feel this is the kind of food my body has been wanting to eat. In fact, I've started to love cooking, which otherwise was never possible for me to love. I have adapted new ways to use ingredients and make a healthy and tasty dish. After becoming vegan, my perspective towards myself and the world completely shifted. I have become more passionate about living a lifestyle of my choice, a passion that I had never experienced before. I think it is also one of the reasons which must have driven me to start this YouTube channel. So happy to share my vegan journey with you all. Honestly, my experiences are not limited to these 5 points. There have been much more benefits that I have experienced after becoming a vegan, but for that I would like to make a separate video in the future. If you like this video, please hit that like button and leave a comment.